In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit variant images on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so each size, color, or style has the right photo attached. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. On the homepage, look for the login button and click it. Sign in with your email and password or use one of the other sign-in options offered. If you manage more than one store, make sure you're inside the correct one before moving on. Once you're in the admin, look to the left side panel and click Products. This takes you to your product list. Choose an existing product that already has variants, like different colors or sizes. If you're not sure which product to pick, choose the one where the image doesn't match the variant yet. It'll make the change easy to spot later. Inside the product details page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Variants. This section lists each option your product offers. If you don't see it, that usually means the product only has a single version and no variants have been created yet. For products with variants, you'll see each one in a table. Click the specific variant you want to change, maybe the blue, large, or stainless steel option, so you can adjust just that one. On the variant page, find the media or image section. Shopify sometimes labels this differently depending on your theme or admin layout, but you're looking for the area where images for that variant are managed. Here, you can add a new image or select an existing one from your library. Click Add Image to upload a new photo from your computer, or choose a different image that's already in your store's files. As a tip, aim for clear, well-lit images with a consistent background and similar framing across all variants. If you're swapping an image, make sure it accurately reflects the specific variant, like the correct color or material. You can drag images to reorder if the interface allows it. The first image is often what customers see first for that variant. When you're done, click Save. Give Shopify a moment to process the change. You should see the updated image appear for that variant in the variant list. If you preview the product page, switching between variants should now swap to the image you just set. That's it. You've updated a variant image in Shopify. Repeat these steps for any other variants that need the correct photo and keep your product pages consistent for a smoother shopping experience.